In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called System. Then tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard on the left. Following that, tap on Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's green, you can go back to your keyboard to check it out. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now, thanks to this gear at the top of your Gboard, you can access the same section of your settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!